Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini Livian 90 espresso machine. And for this machine we had to do a lot of work as we had to replace this copper pipe. This one, as you see, is completely corroded. I just snap from here. We were trying to fix a leak coming out from the hot water valve, and the whole thing just snapped because this thing, it's just very corroded. So yeah, we had to replace that. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the gasket of the machine as well, replacing the shower screen. This is the old shower screen, and you can see it's in really bad shape, looking bad. We cleaned everything in there, replace a new shower screen, back flush this machine, which I don't think this machine has ever been back flush. And yeah, just give it a good service and a good cleaning all around it. So starting with washing of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine out. Now this is a heat exchanger, so whenever you have the machine already on for a couple of seconds, you gotta release a little bit of water so that way you cool down the heat exchanger part. You can see there's a lot of steam coming out through the group head, and that's because the heat exchanger is at the same temperature as the steam boiler, and you don't want to brew coffee with that temperature. You want it to target around 200 degrees, which that means that translates to purging the heat exchanger for at least 30 seconds approximately. Once you do that, you will see now the gentle stream coming out from this machine. You will not see a lot of steam coming out. That's a good indication that the machine is ready. We insert the portafilter and then we just extract, because after you purge you have at least 20 to 30 seconds approximately to do a shot of espresso. Otherwise the temperature that is inside the heat exchanger will actually be the same as the steam boiler. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of that beautiful portafilter. Nice shot of espresso. Even though we are using our test coffee, we'll still get a little bit of crema coming out from this machine. You can see that crema looking really good. Excellent shot of espresso. Great flow coming out from the shower head and the steamer. The steam boiler, as you can see, working amazing. Excellent steam, excellent pressure coming out from the boiler, and also great flow of water coming out from this hot water one. Machine is filling up and heating up, as you can see from this slide, and as you can hear it, it's already filling the steam boiler inside. Once you finish it, it will stop doing that, and then the machine will be at idle and it will be ready to brew once again. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.